Today we are going to discuss very interesting topic, and that is the second sutra of the Vedic mathematics. And with the help of this sutra we will multiply two numbers. So without wasting any time, let's start with the so this is the second and very important method formula of the Vedic mathematics, and you can say sutra. It is the nikhilam navatas karmam dasta. Navta means 9 and dasta means 10. So what is the meaning of this? In the English translation, the meaning is all from 9 and last from 10. Maybe still there is a confusion. I will explain with example. We have example here. See, like, you can take example of 94. So what is the meaning? That all from 9 and last from 10 means the last digit in the 94 is 4, and you last from 10, you will subtract 10 4 from 10 and you will get 6. Okay, and rest of the thing, the remaining digit from 9, so remaining digit is 9, so 9 from 9 you will get 0. So it is very much clear. So you have to subtract 90, basically 194 from the 100. Okay, so this technique we are going to use to multiply any two number. Okay, so what is the basic? I hope you will enjoyed it. And the first thing you must know, in this formula there is a base. So every number has the base. What is the basic idea of the base? Base are 10,000, 100,000 and so on. Means the power of the 10. Okay. So what is the, how you will find the base of any number? So see this one. There is an exact kind of situation we have given. Let us suppose we have a number. We have given these examples like number is 14. So concept of the base, near to means 14 is near to 10, then base will be the 10. Let us suppose there is a number 97. It is this is a two-digit number. This is also two-digit number, but this is near to 100, not near to 10. So base of 97 will be 100. So therefore, similarly, you can take 8. 8 is near to 10. Okay, and 112. This is three-digit number, three-digit number. So 112 near to 100, not near to 1000. 993 near to 1000. So base of the first thing you must know, base of each and every number. Like similarly you can check 1011. So the base of this is 100. Okay, the next thing is, after that you will find the deviation. This is very important. Whenever you want to multiply two numbers, and you have to get the deviation, you want to find the deviation in the second step. What is the deviation? Formula for deviation: whatever the number is there minus base. Okay, like here the number is 14, so 14 minus 10, because base is 10, so you will get 4. Now number is 8 and base is 10. 8 minus 10, you have a minus 2. And now 100 minus 97. So the thing is, number will be at the first place minus base. You may get positive value, you may get negative value. So you need not to worry about whether you will get positive or negative. We will discuss later on what we will do for the negative or positive. Okay. So here is the 97 minus 100. So you will get minus 3. So 112 minus 100, number is 112, base is 100. So you will get 12. Now 993 minus 1000, you must know the base of each and every number. So this, so 100, and you have minus 1000, you are getting this. Now, so whenever you will get the negative deviation, so you can put bar over there. It is just a representation. It is not required every time you will put, because this is your calculation. You are going to calculate whether you want to put bar or not. It is up to you. You can take even minus 2 also. It is up your choice. Okay. So similarly 3 bar 3 you can write like that. The first thing, the first step toward the Nicolam multiplication, you need the base of each and every number, and after that the deviation. When it is clear, now we can move further. So what is the next step? So Nicolam multiplication, already once again I am repeating it again. You must know the base of the number. You are required the base and the deviation of the number. So let's start. The first example I am going to take. Let us suppose you are going to multiply 7 with 8. It is very easy, but we want to learn method first. After that I will take the complex example also. Okay, so you know that the result is 56. No problem, it is easy for you, but when I will take the larger number, then calculation may be difficult, then this concept will be very easy. So what you will write number, one number, and up below you will write another number. You will write these two number as it is. So this is the example whose base is same and both the number are less than the base, correct? So base of 7 is 10, you know that, and base of 8 is 10. Okay, so here you will write the deviation will be -3, and deviation of 8 will be, because 7 minus 10 will be -3 and 8 minus 10 will be, you need not to write the base, you need only the deviation, 10 minus to this, correct? So you will put here, you will write here the deviation of 7 is -3, deviation of 8 is -2. It is up to you, you want to write -3 or -2 like this, or you want to write like this. It is your choice, no problem at all. After that, what you will do, it is very simple. So just multiply 3 and 2, whatever the deviation we have, you will multiply 3 and 2, you will put 6. So after that, what you will write, you will add these two numbers, this and this, or listen carefully, I am saying or means either you will write 7 with -2 or 8 with -3. You need not to take both, only one of them. If you will write 7 minus 2, you will get 5, or if you will write 8 minus 3, you will get 5. So result will be, one number is 5, another is 6. So result will be 56. Very useful, very interesting concept. You can find it very directly. So what is the method? Method is, when you have any number n1, you will write here deviation d1, another number n2, you will write deviation d2. What you will write here, you will write d1 into d2 here, d1 into d2 here, correct? Or here you will write n1 plus d2, or n2 plus d1. So whatever the number you will get from here, same number you will get from here. So you will take that number and multiplication of these two, that will be the final result, correct? If you understand, put yes. Very good, very good, very good. Thank you very much. Thank you. So see the example number 2. Example number 2 is, I am going to multiply now complex 97 and 94. So student, the first step I am taking those example whose base is more than the numbers. Like base of 97 is 100 and base of 94 is 100. Means number are less than the base. So what is the method? You will write 97, 94 as it is, no problem at all. You will write the division. Division 97 minus 100, you have a minus. Okay, now one thing is very clear. So when you will subtract 97 from 100, so you have a 2-digit number, means after 1 you will write in 03. This is important. You will write 02 because 06. Okay, so this is a deviation. Now 3 multiply 6, minus will be plus, need not to worry. 18, this is the 18. Now 97 minus 06, you will get 91. Okay, or 94 minus 3, you will get 91. So the multiplication is 9118. Understand or not? Very easy, very easy. You can do it very quickly. Or not, student, understand? If you understand, say yes. If you understand, say yes. Good, good. If you understand, say yes. Very good, very good. Thank you. Do it fast. Next example, 98 into 97. Use this concept. Hurry up. Within seconds, within seconds. Yes, yes. Very good. Tanya, you have done excellently. 9506. Very easy. 9897. Deviation is 0203. Now 6. Now 6. Now you know that you will write in 2 digit because its uh, base is 100. You will write in 606. Always write in 2 digit. So we will take example if it is more than 2 digit. No problem. We have the example. So this 98 minus 3, you have a 95. Your result will be 9506. Very interesting. Good. Thank you very much. Now, take the next example. 397 minus 300 minus 3. Student, this example I have taken for the 5. Correct, this will be okay. The example will be, you are absolutely right, you are absolutely right, definitely 7597. You can do it, no problem at all, no problem. I am just thinking it is 5 here, no problem. You can write it 97, 95, 95. So this is 75, here is the 95. So here, what is the difference? Difference is, deviation is minus 25 and 95 is 95 minus 3, you have what is, so 97, so minus 03. When you will multiply, you will get 75, correct? So this into this, 75 minus 3, you have a 72. You can check 7275, yes or no? Understand, correct or not? Very quickly. Absolutely right, because we have done this mistake. Take the 3 digit number 986 989. This is another example, example number 5. So 986 989. So both have the base is 1000. So very easy to find. The difference is minus 014. Why I'm writing in the 3 digit number? Because its base is 1000. How many 0? 30. You will as well write in the number of zeros here. Correct? So difference from the 1000 of 989 is minus 011, 11. Okay, so what? When you will multiply this, very easy to multiply. Here is simple, 154. So 154, you will write 154 because base is 1000. 3 digit you will write here. If you have a more than 3 digit number, then you will put it further. So sum of this 986 minus 11, it is very easy, 975. So answer will be 975 154. So this is the answer. You can do it very quickly. Understand or not? If you understand, say yes. If you understand, say yes. Good, good, Sahil, Nikhil. Very good. Understand. Good, good, good. Shabash. Now, example number 6. Now you will do it. 994 into 988. Do it fast. Hurry up. Hurry up. Within seconds. Otherwise, it is very difficult. It is lengthy. It takes so much time. With the Nikhilum multiplication, you can do it very easily. Do it, do it. 994, 988. Hurry up. Hurry up, student, within second. Yes. Sahil, Tanya, very good. Many observations are there. Very, very interesting. Let me do it. 994, 988. Its deviation is 006. Negative. No problem. Negative here 0, 1, 2. Now, when you 12 multiply 6, you have a 72. You will put 0 here because deviation, it is base is 1000. So this minus this, you just subtract 12, it is very easy. 982. So answer is 982072. Very easy. Correct? This is the Nicola multiplication. Correct? Now we will do one more very interesting example. 75, example number 7, 750995. Now here the procedure, carry forward, do it. You can try before me. Hurry up. You can try it. Very interesting. You can try it. Do it fast, student. Do it fast. Very useful. Within, yes. 746250. Very interesting. Pavan Kumar, Tanya, you have done. Mohit, absolutely correct. 75099. But don't use the calculator. Its deviation is 250. Is 005. So when you will, both are negative. Okay, when you will multiply, you will get 1250. So you will take only 3 digits, 250 here. So 1 will be carry forward. So when you will add it, you will get 745. When you will add 1, you will get 746. So your result will be 746250. So this will be the answer. Very interesting. Correct? If you are understanding and you are enjoying this session, write enjoying in the comment box. Yes, very good. Very much. Okay. Now, student, now I am going to take another very important result. Now, when both number higher than the base, when both numbers higher than the base, means let us suppose I am going to next example number 8, 13 into 12. Its base is, otherwise multiplication for you may be easy, but when I will take complex example, you will understand. Now I am taking its base is 10, its base is 10, base of 13 is 10, base is 12 is 10, both number higher than. So no need to, the method will be same. Only difference is when you will write these two number, you will get positive deviation. Deviation is 3, deviation is 2, no problem, result will be same. 3 into 2, 6. So 13 plus 2, otherwise you are subtracting because here was the minus. Now 13 plus 2, 15. Answer is 156. Understand or not? Good, good, good. Now take another example. Students, take another example. Example number 9. So example number 9. 18 into 14. Hurry up, do it fast, quickly. 18, 14. मेरे से भी जल्दी करना आपने. Division is 8, 4. Multiplication 32. 2 you will write here. 3 will be carry forward because base is 10. Okay. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 3, 25. 252. No, student, 252. Correct, 252, because this base is 10, you will write only one digit. Understand or not? If you understand, say yes. If you understand, say yes. Right yes. Very good, very good. This is the motivation for me also. Okay, because if it will be helpful for you. Now take another example. Example number 10. Student, I am taking 3-digit number 104 into 102. You will write it, do it fast before me, without using calculator, without using calculator. 04 positive. So what you will write here 6, 4 into 2, 8. You will write 08 because its base is 100. So when you will add, you have a 106. So answer is 10608. Very good, Tanya, Mohit, Nikhil, you have done correctly. Very good, very good. Enjoyed. Now, example number 11. Now, 1275 multiply 1004. Correct. So, you can try also. I want to check, but don't use calculator. 004. Now what you will write here, its deviation is 275. Its deviation is 004. So when I will multiply it, I will get 1100. Correct. So 100 I will write, because deviation, its base is 1000. I will write 1 as a carry forward. When you will add it, when you 1279, when you will add it 79. So when you will add it 1 here, you will get 1280. So 1 2. Very good. You are quick than me. So this is the answer. Very interesting. Very interesting. You are very quick. You are very quick. You understand. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, student. So now we are going to take number. If next concept, one number is more than and other is less than the base, because from the starting we have taken the both number less than the base, then we have taken both number greater than the base. Now we are going to take both number, one number is less than base, another number greater than base. Now next example, 13, its base is 10, 7. 13 is more than 10 and 7 is less than 10. Okay, so you will write 13. You can do it quickly but without calculator. Okay, its base is 3, its base is minus 3. Now the very interesting here thing is, try to understand the concept first. Try to understand the concept first. So when you will multiply 3 into 3 9. Understand the concept first. Now earlier you have a negative deviation, positive deviation. Negative multiply negative is positive, positive multiply positive is positive. But here positive multiply negative is negative. I will put here negative, or you can put bar here. Means the result we are getting minus 9 bar. Correct? Now the next is, when you will add, you can add 13 minus 3, you will get 10. 7 minus 3, 7 plus 3, you will get 10. Here no problem is not there. Problem is here. Try to understand. Now, very simple thing. You want to get, I will give one idea. So if you have it is basically 109 bar. It is basically 109 bar. Means 9 is minus. If you will remove this 9, you will get 100. 9 bar means minus 9. You will get 91. So answer will be 91. Yes or no? 13 into 7, 91 or not? If you understand, say yes. If you understand, say yes. If no, I can repeat it. Yes, yes, sir. Very good. Correct, correct. Now we can take another example. Another example. Another example. Another example is, student, 104 into so let me try another example. Yes, 108. You can take 108 into 98. So one number is more than 100, another number is less than 100. Now do it fast before me, but don't use calculator. 108, 98. Its deviation is 08. Its deviation is minus 06. When you will multiply, what you will get? 48. 48 negative, 48 bar. When you will add it, you will get 102. So very interesting. 102. Very good, very good. No. 102, 48 bar. My dear, 102, 00 minus 48. See here. 102, 102 minus 48. Very easy to calculate. 10152. Understand or not? Understand or not? Harshit, Simranjit, see it. If you have a confusion, okay. Understand if you, Hanji, Galti, explain again. My dear, very easy. 8 into 6, 48. Because positive multiply negative, result is negative. Very good. Result is negative. Now, so this plus this, 102. This plus this. Okay. Here is the confusion. Yes, 98, 108, 98, 108. Its deviation is 08. Its deviation is 98. Mine now 9. It is 02 minus 02. Correct. So 8 into 2, 10. Sorry, 16 bar. So this plus this 106. This plus this 106. So you have a 106 16 bar. So 106 00 minus 16, what you will get? 10584. You student, absolutely correct, 100% correct, no doubt about that. So correct. You can try one more example, large example. 998 into 1025. Okay, so you have a 998. You can try 998 1025. So 998 1025. Its deviation is minus 002. Its deviation, you know to write 00, it's okay. So here deviation is 025. When you will multiply, you will get 50. Now student, its base is 1000. You will write 0 bar, because positive negative multiply positive positive. So when you will add this one, you will get 1023. When you will add this one, 1023. Okay, you can try 1025 23 050. Bar is here. So 1023 000 minus 50. Yes, correct. 10222950. Absolutely correct. You are absolutely correct. So I hope you understand. I have taken all the possibilities. So student, so last 2-3 minutes I will explain, I will tell you why, how it is happened, what is the basic concept behind it. So see, I will explain one situation. Let us suppose I have a number n1 and another number n2. So these number I am taking whose base is more than, means number both less than the base, the first situation. So I will write this number, base is x minus a and x minus b. I will write the number like that. When you will multiply these number, very interesting to see the proof, very interesting. I will take the example also after that. When you will multiply this x into x, x square, and x into this is minus bx, this into this minus ax, minus a minus b, ab. Okay, so what is next? I am taking x common. Now x minus b minus a is there, plus ab. Very interesting to see the proof how it is happened. Now see, I have x minus a, minus b. So student, what I am going to do here, I am adding 1x, I am subtracting 1x. So why I am doing this? Just see it. Now x minus a as it is, x minus b is as it is, minus x plus ab. Very interesting to see the proof. See, now this is the, see, this is the number n1, this is the number n2. You are adding the numbers, correct, minus x, this is the base, plus ab, correct. Now take any two number, 98 and multiply 97, both numberless. You know the answer is, you have done already 9506 multiplication. So see, base is 10, base of these two number is 100, so 100, number is 98 here, the multiplication 9, number is 98, another number is 97, minus x minus 100. So very interesting. A into B, correct? So what is A? Basically you must know A is the division. So division of this is division of 98. A is the division. Division A is minus 2 and B is minus 3. So you have here 6, correct? And you know that you will write it 06, no problem. So this plus this is 1, so plus 98 plus n1 plus n2. 98 plus 97, 195 minus 100 into 100, very easy, 06, correct? What you will write here? 100, the same thing we are doing, 95, 06. So 195, 00 plus 06, you will get 9506. So this is the basic way to write it and do it. So if both number, like if n1 and n2, both number is more than the base, then I will write x plus a and x plus b. If one number is more than base, then okay, and one number is less than base, then you will use this concept. So by using these all concepts, you can see the proof also. So I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed the session, you just say yes. Otherwise, if you have enjoyed the session, so tomorrow we are going to do division, Nicolum division. Tomorrow we are going to do Nicolum division. It is very useful concept, and I will share this video on the YouTube channel. And I hope you have enjoyed today. Thank you very much. We will see tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.